All right, super easy repair today, guys. Center console on a 90s Tahoe Yukon Suburban where the handle has broken off. This turns out to be more common than you would think when I went to try and find a replacement one of these in the salvage yard. I'm going to show you how to do this. It's a really easy repair. All you need is a T15 Torx bit. And the first thing you're going to do is remove these two bolts, these two screws here, and these two screws here so that you can remove the hinge. I'm not just necessarily going to film this whole thing, but let's just go ahead and take those out and we'll come back. Go. Okay, guys, we've got these hinges disconnected. You can see here on the top, those 4 screws that were holding that. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go around the perimeter and we're going to move these other T15s all the way around here so that we can separate out this cover. Okay, so I'm going to do that and we'll come back when I've got them all out. All right, we've got all these Torx screws removed. Once you do that, this inside cover comes out, and then what we can see over here is where the handle used to be, right? It used to be right here, and it broke off from these 2 mount points. So now we're going to remove these 2 T15s and throw away the pieces of what's left of the hinge. And then I've got, from the salvage yard, I've got my replacement that I took off a donor car. And we're going to just screw this back in. And that's really all there is to this. When I went to the salvage yard, I found that it's very hard to find one of these vehicles that doesn't have this broken already. I'd say about only 1 in 5 of the vehicles at the salvage yard still had this handle intact. When you tighten this stuff up, you know, be careful that you don't over tighten it and strip it out. But at this point, we've done the repair, and now we just go back through and reverse what we did and reassemble it and test it out. So we'll come back when we do that. All right, we've got a new handle in place. We've got it back on the hinges, and we can see that job's finished. So I hope this video helped you out with this repair. And again, you can pick up these handles by going to a salvage yard and just doing the procedure we did here on the donor vehicle to get your replacement handle. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.